Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of a router. This is nothing but the TP-Link AX10 router, guys. And the main reason for purchasing this particular router is its Wi-Fi 6. And personally, I would say you can connect this also as a mesh router, but I'm going to use this as my main router. And there's a number one. And anyways, guys, let me just open this particular box and show you to you how it looks. And so basically we have this 4 antenna wala router, and personally most of the people are like kind of impressed with these 4 antennas. But mind you, the range is quite good. I feel so after using this for about 3 months. I am just re-uploading this particular video for the unboxing of it. And the as far as the looks is concerned, guys, this is having that X on the front, as you can see over here, and it is aesthetically very beautiful, and most of the people have complimented me because of this router. And comes with the Wi-Fi 6, and Wi-Fi 6 is supported with your latest devices like your MacBook and iPhones and Pixels and other devices. And basically what I wanted to say is it is a very good router and comes with a 4 ports, and one being the input. And basically you can connect 4 output ports, like your laptops and desktop, etc., and TV and other devices which you all want to use it for internet. And if you all just want like a better coverage, guys, please check out other videos on YouTube which shows you the correct placement of the antennas and all. I won't be discussing this in this video. And we have LED light indicator which indicate different thing like whether the Wi-Fi is on, and other indication whether you are getting internet and all. So I won't go into in details on this. And basically this is a gigabyte router, so you are going to see speeds more than 100 mbps, and you have a WPS switch. And basically there is no off switch, which is very disappointing. This is the adapter which you get with the router, and the Cat5 cable, and nothing else. So you have the power, the Ethernet cable, and what else do you want? And I would say they must have bundled some other accessories. But I mean, removing the power switch from this router is serious disappointment in my opinion, because previously the router was coming with the power off button. And you can see the price is 2599 on Amazon. So check out this link in the description to get it on a discounted rate, because I got it for 2399 for offers and all. And I think for 2400 it's a very good deal, and especially considering the speed and other things. And as you can see over here, I'm just running a speed test just to show it to you that I'm getting more than 100 mbps, and this is a gigabyte router. And the Wi-Fi speed is limited to some 700 something, 68 I guess. And as you can see, the Ethernet speed I'm getting around 160 mbps, which is quite good, I would say. And for this price range, guys, I don't think so you get any router which is better than this. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the AX10 router, the Wi-Fi 6 router. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.